It's Zoe's first ever haircut. So I'm just putting some plastic to kind of catch the hair, and I'm just combing the front side because I'm really just planning on giving her bangs today. I'm not really going to touch the back side. Combing this part, and I'm just trying to see which part of the hair is covering her eyes, and then just put the hair between my index and my middle fingers. Then I'm just gonna cut at an angle and make sure to watch the baby with the scissors. Right, and then once I let go, it's not gonna be even right away, so just combing it, and then I'm gonna need to do one more trim, just horizontally this time, and to just keep it straight and really just eyeballing it. Just doing this as fast as I can. I know Zoe's getting pretty antsy already. This is the first time she ever said yes when I said the word haircut. I've been wanting to trim this and give her some bangs for a while now. She always said no, so taking my chance here and doing this as fast as I can so that she won't give me a hard time next time I need to trim this. So there you go. It looks pretty good, looks pretty even. And here's our final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.